Oh, this is going to take ages. Yeah. I don't think we have to take off all of them, but
What normally goes on it? Do you know, is it the head or is it the main drive thing? Because this is the head where the piston is. This is where the piston's going up and down. And this is that main drive thing.
oh yeah, this is the belt and that. This is where the belt sits. And that.
Yeah, so... What, do you know what's rattling?
Nah.
Is it still running or did you take
Yeah,
it off?
still runs.
Yeah, run it. Let me hear what's rattling. Sounds like it's this.
I think so.
Sounds like it's this. So I need to get that.
Let me talk to the people that kiss the Mac and me. My favourite thoughts. Got it off of taking a chance. I didn't take an advance. Traveling every day. Paralyzed. Gets to. I need to get this off, but I can't get into the thingy.
This thing is always in bug, isn't it?
Yeah. So you said you're going to take the radio off, innit?
I think it comes off in one. There's not enough to do it, no more, is there? Take that off.
What's not free? This? This?
Yeah. It's like a flip or something, you know, like these electric flips.
Yeah, I think it unplugs.
Huh?
It looks like it unplugs.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Radiator is attached to it. This is fuel pipe. It's the last one. Loosen this 10 mil. That's the last one. There you go. To get back in the garage and that. Say again, man. Yeah. I think I leave the van and get this car done. I think I'll leave the van for now, just try and get this car done. I didn't move it because I can't lose the space. If I lose the space, I'm going to be able to park it. Stuck in it there. Is that how it was before?
Yeah.
To be careful. Yeah, I work on the car, not the van first. No.
With the heavens, another level, another ever, never change. Met the game.
Is it from here? That go in your eye?
Yeah.
Everybody give me a
It's like 35 today. I'm not gonna record everything because I don't wanna melt my camera off.
Percent of the way there. Blast vice on the rhythm, and I take the rhythm, and every.
You said you saw bits though, didn't you? What was it?
Dreams, love your bed.
Bubble up, bubble up, bubble up.
Isn't that stick thing that's going as well? Yes.
Is that going now?
I think it does.
Yeah, it's not. So what sits? Something sits in here as well.
You know that? Finish it.
What was in here?
At the top.
Hmm.
Do you know why I think it does go here? Because there's a slot. There's a slot right here.
Yeah, that's what I remember. But, you see what I'm saying? Can't even close. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure this thing was in that hole.
Yeah, you're right.
I think this must go.
Look, yeah, look, it looks like that.
Yeah, that's why I just put it before though. That's what I thought.
Maybe it goes in after, so. Yeah, it goes in that.
Like that, okay.
Okay, that makes sense.
There's that there. I knew something was in there. So that goes in there like that.
You have to put the chain on now, though.
No, once you put the head on, then you can put the chain on.
Press it.
Make sure it's the right thing.
prevent
gas
it from going in.
Yeah, the gaskets.
Is that in? Oh, no.
I think the chain just literally sits on it anyway.
But the chain goes through here though.
Yeah, it goes through the middle around here, and that sits between them two.
Can we get that through there?
Hmm?
You can get it. You can get it.
What, the chain?
Yeah.
Yeah. Normally there's a loosener and there's a tightener to loosen it and tighten it.
So this is very well. Alright, so this is how far I've got. Managed to get everything from the engine is on. So all I got to do is get that fracker in there.
Everybody gotta cry once in a while, but how long will it take for you smile? This is that come back to life shit. My niggas pick me up and we gon' light the city up as if the sun.
So this one goes around the front. Did it unblock? What are you looking for?
This one.
This is the fuel, this is that one, that one's underneath, so this wire must be in the right place. Do you get what I'm saying? So, what else have you got missing down here?
This one.
And these two go in there. And then the top one, this one as well, need to do.
That's the white one, isn't it?
It only will fit what it's going to fit.
Still got a one black star like Kwame. Free car convoy is something. My mum got matching whips I used to
Yeah, the springs don't.
chill with a stupid
Have you done it with the other bolts, yeah?
that I used to put.
Sure.
I see a thing
Then
that I touch,
two,
tell
that
me
one.
about talking stage.
You done the back two. You done. See this nut here? This nut right here. Coming from that, the other side of that, touching the metal.
Okay.
So this, either that's loose or that needs to come off, cleaned, and put back, or the gaskets on it or something.
But they know they got a bit. That's your pretty face. You in my brain, you make it stimulate. Let me tell you about a young nigga, he was only 14.
Mic check, yeah. Mic check, yeah. Mic check, yeah. I need a check, bitch. Shit so real, gotta use fake names every time I see dead faces. They occupy my brain. Erica said I never change. It's the lifestyles of the insane. You was like a brother to me, no other than me. Swear I would trade my life for yours. I knew you was fucking with me. Found some niggas, fuck your wife, and we put them bitches to sleep. Ain't gon' say your government, I'ma call him by Ricky G. Now Ricky G had a cousin in yellow with Rick Ciola. Had a Mexican that can't cross the border from Arizona. They was getting shit for 17.
You know, you just can't go wrong with places like this. Yeah, man, I'm gassed my bike is fixed now, though. Thank God my bike is fixed, because it was rough. It's been rough without a bike, I'll be so honest. I fixed my bike a couple of days ago, so if I can remember correctly, last thing I recorded, I was putting the panels on there and I think the battery died. Then even before that, when I got the bike running, but it was leaking. It was leaking from the radiator, and it was leaking from one little screw. One screw wasn't tightened, luckily, and we could see it, and we didn't have to take nothing out or nothing like that. So, yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gassed. I'm gassed. I've got so much planned for this YouTube, man, but you guys just gotta wait on me. Just wait on it. I say this each and every time, but if there's one thing that you should keep in your life, it's Jesus, man. He's the only truth. He's the only person that's gonna be 100% real with you. Genuinely, if I didn't find God in my life, bro, I wouldn't be the person I am today, and I would have been a way worse person, because I was going down the wrong path. I was doing so much stupid shit, and then you just gotta sit down, sit back, and just think, just look at yourself, look at your actions and things you do. Take that into account, because what goes around comes around. This life ain't promised, man, so gotta get right with God before it's too late. Because no matter what, whether you believe in him or not, but you're going to meet him. That's the truth, man. Whether you believe in him or not. You don't know when it's your day, so just gotta make sure you're ready. I don't even know if I'm ready, to be honest. I'll be so honest, I cannot say life has got easier since I found God. I can't say that. But I wouldn't go back, man. It's the end result. It could be worth it. It could be worth it, and I want to see that. And I want everyone that's watching me, I want everyone who supports me, everyone, even the haters, but I want them all to see God, man. See his righteousness and his love and his peace. Because you can't take nothing with you to heaven except for other people. So yeah, but this place is going on the map. It's the first time I'm here. Never seen scenery like this before. I wish I saw the sunset. But some bozo, the boat I had to fill up, the bozo, he didn't let me fill up until I took my helmet off. I wanted to crash on him. Yeah, man, I got so much planned for the future, so much. Just wait on it, man. Yeah, I just gotta wait on that shit, man. But yeah, this has been JV. Peace and love. That's that.